Hello everyone, it's me Marian. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I would like to show you how to make a personalized cologne that you can use as gifts for Christmas. Things that we need: cologne, any type of cologne, any scent, but preferably one for girl and one for boy. Atomizer. There are many sizes from 10 ml to 2 ml, but I choose to use this one. This is a 5 ml bottle. Ribbons. Any color that signifies Christmas. Sticker labels, 1 by 2 inches. Video on how to create sticker labels are found at the card of this video. I pre-printed or pre-designed our sticker labels to save time and not make this video too long. Packaging or plastic packaging that you can use to wrap your personalized cologne. And a pair of scissors. When you design your personalized sticker, you can make it to the name of the person you will give the cologne to, or design it by your name to make the person remember that it came from you. Now let's start. Choose the scent of the cologne to use and then pour the cologne to the atomizer. Wipe the atomizer for any excess or spilled cologne using a clean tissue. This is the reason why we will put the sticker after the cologne is placed, so it won't ruin the print in case of spillage. Seal your cologne or lock your cologne bottle, and make sure it is fully locked. Next, you can put the designs. Attach the sticker, and then put the ribbon. Put the cologne to its plastic packaging. And here it is, our personalized cologne. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and I was able to give you additional ideas for your Christmas gifts or giveaways. See you on my next Christmas video. Bye!